Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be doing the Genshin Impact high graphics setting test in the POCO X3 device. In previous video, I just played the gameplay and showed you the few FPS count. But right now in this video, I'll try to give complete what are the graphics is available in the POCO X3 and what is the maximum FPS you can get in the POCO X3 device. So in case if you are watching first time this channel, make sure to follow me regularly and also to check the links in description for more videos on the POCO X3 and other recently added mobile phones in my channel. So where you'll find so many videos already I uploaded on the POCO X3 device. And as you can see right now, I downloaded the game, and the game is very much big in size and huge size as well, which will consume a lot of the memory and the CPU and GPU usage as well. So let me try to quickly show you the storage. Space is around 8.5 GB, as you can clearly see here. And I did enable the real-time FPS count meter, and in case if you don't know how to enable, try to check the links in description. You'll find the video. And display or refresh rate is also set to 120 Hz refresh rate. And let me quickly open the game. And before starting the game, so let me try to show you what is the temperature, and I'll try to play the game for about 10 minutes, and again I'll be back. And let's compare the temperature now to the after 10 minutes of playing this game. So right now it's 30 degrees only. So let's see after 10 minutes of playing with the high intense graphics, so what will be the what will be the temperature increase and how much it will be increasing. Let me quickly show you the graphic settings what I'm using right now. So graphics, and as you can see right now I selected to the highest one, as you can see here. So a highest value, and I also set the FPS count to 60 FPS. As you can see, everything is highest, all the values are to maximum. I just want to test the maximum potential of this POCO X3 device, so which has a Snapdragon 732G processor. So let's see whether how will the phone will react to this kind of high graphics settings. And the good thing is that you do have this kind of real-time FPS count meter, so where you can focus on the real-time count meter and I can focus on playing the game. So let me quickly increase the brightness so you can see it properly. So you can see there's some lag is going on when I'm turning. As you can see, whenever I'm trying to move around, so everything is getting blurred in the background and it's getting slightly delay. So not much, slight amount of blur. So when I'm coming from the OnePlus 8 device and Realme X7 Pro and premium and smartphones, I can definitely feel the difference in these mid-range segment phones. I cannot expect much to be in this phone, since the phone is kind of a mid-range segment mobile phone. So definitely I won't be expecting at all. So right now you can concentrate on the FPS count. I'm getting around 28 FPS without any problem. As you can see, 19 FPS. Sometimes it's getting dropped, sometimes it's not dropping. So let me even turn on the volume so you can listen to the dual stereo speaker music right now. As you can see, friends, right now. (24 FPS). So I'm seeing a slight amount of lag, not for continuous, but randomly I'm seeing that kind of lag. But overall the gameplay is very good, considering this kind of mid-range segment mobile phone which is capable enough to play this kind of high graphics settings, which is really good. I did like that kind of playing here in the POCO X3 device. So even though the phone doesn't support the 60 FPS, but still it was able to play very good in the 30 FPS without any problem and without any much lag. So overall, I'll try to keep you updated, friends, on the POCO X3, how I am going, and I can see the temperature is increasing from the back panel near the camera area. I can definitely feel the difference. So it's increasing little by little. But as I said, I'll try to play the game for about 10 more minutes, and then I'll try to show you the temperature reading, how much it is. So let me see now how much it will be there. From 30 it increased to 38 degrees within, I think, maybe 4 minutes of playing. 8 degrees got increased, 39 degrees, 39, as you can see, that 40 degrees. It's increasing, friends, within very short amount of time. Within this 5 minutes of time, the temperature increased in the POCO X3. But overall, it's maintaining 30 fps, but sometimes it's decreasing, as you can see. You can try to focus on this fps count. I think right now there's a video playing, so that's why you're seeing more fps count. But once the video has been stopped, you will see this kind of very less fps, 17 fps or 18 fps. As you can see, 30 fps. So when the video is playing, you will be able to achieve very good smooth transitions. But once the video, this kind of tutorials, it stopped, then definitely you'll feel the difference. But overall, friends, this is a quick game tutorial on the POCO X3 device. And now let me try to decrease the graphics settings to a little bit less, and let's see whether you will be able to achieve the more or not. So visuals set to the medium, as you can see. Everything is going to the medium. So let's see, friends, in the medium settings how much fps I will be able to crack down here. So it's not making much difference even though I use the medium settings, but still I'm getting the same as before, so there is no much improvement here. And that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video, and let me even try to check the settings with the lowest resolution. So only the fps count I increased to 60 fps. Everything is set to the lowest, as you can see. So right now I'm getting 41 fps and 38 fps, 34, so 38. So now I was able to get the very good fps count meter, but this comes at a cost that decreasing the resolution and graphics to lowest. As you can see, friends, right now the real-time graphics 35 fps. So 42. So with the lowest graphics you will be able to achieve the very high fps count, but that comes at a cost that decreasing the resolution and decreasing the graphics. And now it's not that lag. And see you in the next video, friends. Thank you for watching. Until then, bye.